Hello, I'm Julie Plack, Vice President of Information Delivery within Analytics. I'd like to share a little bit about our team and accomplishments. We work closely with many disciplines throughout the ministry and provide actionable information to impact patient care. We have a balanced team of analysts, clinical analysts, BI developers, statisticians, and data scientists. In FY20, we also added a machine learning analyst and epidemiologist to round out our needed expertise. Analytics has been on a journey over the past several years, providing traditional descriptive and diagnostic analytics and moving towards predictive and prescriptive analytics. As we work with the business to determine the data needs for their area, we first look to see if there is Epic functionality that will meet their needs. Once we determine the need for a dashboard or explorer, we create a cross-functional team that typically consists of mission partners from information delivery, analytics effectiveness, data delivery, IT reporting, and a clinical or business subject matter expert. Two of our most widely used analytical tools are the OSF Enterprise Explorer and OSF Hospital Charge Explorer that are used for spotting trends, identifying opportunities, and testing hypotheses. This past year, we developed several new dashboards and explorers. The Practice Dashboard was a collaborative effort with multi-specialty group leadership, analytics, and IT reporting. The Practice Dashboard supports the improvement of regional, practice, and provider performance across OSF multi-specialty group by summarizing key performance indicators. Users can quickly view performance across quality, access, finance, and patient experience, as well as compare performance to established targets and internal benchmarks. The Quarterly Performance Review Dashboard assists leadership across the ministry to identify opportunities, drive improvement efforts, and be held accountable for outcomes. The dashboard contains over 60 key metrics that are linked to supporting data and tools that are easily accessible for managing operational performance at the OneOSF, regional, facility, and MSS levels. Advanced Analytics is another team within information delivery. Our statisticians provide statistical analyses to determine appropriate key result targets and correlation validation for key result driver metrics. Also in fiscal year 20, we piloted a new feature in the QPR dashboard, which was a dynamic calculation of statistical significance for each metric, so that the users can more easily interpret the variation that they see in the visualizations. The data scientists provide the ministry a variety of machine learning and artificial intelligence, or AI, modeling services. Modeling allows OSF to predict future outcomes, simulate complex systems, and optimize decision-making. Some examples of our modeling work include the readmission model that is used to identify a bedded patient's risk of readmission and align appropriate resources prior to discharge. The ED adult sepsis model is used in every OSF emergency department to rapidly assess and audit patients' risk of sepsis and activate the sepsis bundle. And precision staffing is used throughout the inpatient, OB, and ED nursing environments to optimize staffing plans, hiring levels, and support daily operational staffing decisions. Advanced Analytics has also recently begun providing robotic process automation services, referred to as RPA, and leads our ministry RPA Center of Excellence. Through RPA, we build bots to automate various tasks or processes. We currently have live bots running information delivery updates on our COVID portal page. What exciting things do we have in our FY21 strategy map? Analytics and reporting will be transitioning our Click dashboards and explorers to a next generation analytics platform. Microsoft Power BI will allow analytics to create interactive, immersive dashboards and reports that provide actionable insights and drive business results. Our advanced analytics team will be serving a broader range of business areas, defining and expanding RPA services, and partnering with other divisions to commercialize both their products and services.